Hello, nature enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered about the amazing journeys animals take throughout their lives? It's like a magical cycle, constantly turning. We call this an animal life cycle. It's how animals grow from birth to adulthood, have their own families, and eventually reach the end of their time. Think of a circle, it never truly ends, and neither does the cycle of life. Every species, from the tiniest insect to the largest whale, has its own unique life cycle. Some animals go through incredible transformations, while others follow a more direct path. But one thing is certain, every stage of the cycle is essential for the survival of the species. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of animal life cycles. We'll uncover the secrets of metamorphosis, witness the transition from water to land, and soar through the skies with birds on the wing. We'll even journey alongside mammals as they navigate the challenges of life on land. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of nature's grand design. Let's start with the incredible world of insects. These tiny creatures undergo a process called metamorphosis, a big word that means change in form. It's like magic. One day they're crawling caterpillars and the next they're beautiful butterflies fluttering through the air. Take the monarch butterfly, for example. It starts as a tiny egg laid on a milkweed plant. When the egg hatches, a hungry caterpillar emerges, munching on leaves and growing bigger every day. But the caterpillar's life isn't all about eating. It eventually forms a hard, protective case called a chrysalis. Inside, a miraculous transformation takes place. The caterpillar's body breaks down and then reforms into a completely new creature, a butterfly. When the butterfly emerges from the chrysalis, it's ready to fly, find a mate, and start the cycle all over again. Metamorphosis isn't just for butterflies. Many other insects, like beetles, flies, and ants, also go through this amazing process. It's nature's way of ensuring that these creatures can thrive in different environments and find the resources they need to survive. Now let's dive into the watery world of amphibians, creatures that live both in water and on land. Think of frogs and toads. They have a fascinating life cycle that begins in the water. A female frog lays her eggs in a pond or stream, and when the eggs hatch, tiny tadpoles emerge. These tadpoles are perfectly adapted to life underwater. They have gills to breathe and tails to swim. They look more like fish than frogs. As the tadpoles grow, they undergo an incredible transformation. They develop lungs for breathing air, their tails shrink and they sprout legs. Slowly but surely they transform from water-dwelling tadpoles into air-breathing frogs, ready to hop onto land. This amazing adaptation allows amphibians to live in two different worlds, taking advantage of resources both in water and on land. It's a testament to the power of evolution and the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. Section 4. Taking flight, a bird's eye view. Prepare to soar into the sky as we explore the life cycle of birds, creatures that have mastered the art of flight. Birds, from tiny hummingbirds to majestic eagles, share a similar life cycle that begins with an egg. A mother bird lays her eggs in a nest, a safe and cozy haven she builds to protect her young. She keeps the eggs warm by sitting on them, and when the time is right, the eggs hatch and tiny helpless chicks emerge. The parent birds work tirelessly to feed and care for their chicks, bringing them food and keeping them warm. As the chicks grow, they develop feathers, their wings strengthen, and they learn to fly. Soon they're ready to leave the nest and explore the world on their own wings. The ability to fly gives birds a unique perspective on the world. They can travel vast distances, escape predators, and find food in ways that other animals can't. It's a remarkable adaptation that has allowed birds to thrive in diverse habitats all over the planet. Section 5. Life's Journey, a mammal's perspective. Our final destination takes us into the world of mammals, creatures that are warm-blooded, have fur or hair, and nurse their young with milk. Mammals, including ourselves, have a life cycle that is both familiar and full of wonder. Unlike many other animals, mammal babies are born live. They develop inside their mother's womb, nourished by a special connection called a placenta. When the time is right, the mother gives birth to her offspring. Mammal mothers are incredibly devoted to their young. They provide them with milk, warmth, and protection. As the babies grow, they learn valuable skills from their parents, such as how to find food, build shelters, and stay safe from danger. Eventually, mammal offspring reach adulthood, ready to have their own families and continue the cycle of life. From the tiniest mice to the largest whales, mammals exhibit a remarkable range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse environments all over the globe.